If your Lincoln Aviator is failing to launch Apple CarPlay, the fix is often just a simple handshake reset. Statistics show that 80% of infotainment connectivity issues are resolved by refreshing your device pairing cache. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system back online. Start by toggling your phone's Bluetooth, testing a different certified cable, and performing a soft reboot through the sync menu. Often, the culprit is hidden in your phone's settings, like a restricted CarPlay profile or an outdated iOS version. Physically inspect your phone's charging port and the vehicle's media hub for lint or bent pins that block data transfer. Try deleting and re-adding your phone before assuming it is a hardware failure requiring a dealership visit. As you can see, faulty cables account for nearly half of all reported connectivity issues in these SUVs. If problems persist, check for official Lincoln software updates or perform a hard power cycle by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Keep a high-quality certified cable and a can of compressed air for your ports as part of your standard glove box kit. Always remember, the simplest solution is usually the right one, so start with your cable before diving into complex software fixes. If these steps did not resolve your issue, consult your local Lincoln service department for an APIM diagnostic. Thanks for watching.